just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Just giving y'all a little peek of my setup here. And that was my business sign that I did. I need to do on white paper. I've got it on craft paper, but all of the codes are scannable. I checked them. So as you can see, I do have a new tent here, and it is much bigger than my 10 by 10. I love this tent. So we have our little caddy there in the front, and there's one of the ottomans. In the back there, I have the table with the red cloth. I have my men's gifts on that, as well as the hearts. On this table, I have some Rose Bear gift sets, as well as the other ottoman that I showed on my live last night. And then there's our cow, the crafty cow. And then on my rolling shelf there are my cheaper gifts. Those are the perfume sets and the purse gifts. There's a Rose Bear. This is a Bath and Body Works set, sitting next to the ottomans there. And then back here I have my grab and go sets. These are the Hello Kitties and the flat concepts and the bags. The bags are the foot spa bags, as well as the perfume bags. And then I have some balloons up here that are snug as a bug in a rug. They're just up here hanging out. So far I have sold one of my hearts and 4 of my baskets. So it's slow and steady, but sales are coming in, y'all. People are stopping and inquiring and purchasing. And one lady purchased 2 baskets and said she would be back in an hour. She wanted to pick up some more items. So we'll see if she comes back. Y'all know how that goes. I am doing my roses that I have in the basket up here for $3 each. 6 for $15. And a dozen for $25. But this is how I have set up the booth today, and it looks really nice. I'm very satisfied with it. I will go back and make more baskets tonight. And the tarp on there is white. It looks blue, but it's not. It's white. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I just came to say hello.